Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around update video for the 220D M Sport Coupe presented in the mineral grey. So this is just an update video. We've now updated the car and put a brand new set of the 18-inch CSL BBS Style Alloy wheels on the car. After the previous real positive response on the other Black 2 series that we added these wheels to, we decided to go ahead and add them to this mineral grey 2017 plate 2 series. So if you are interested in a bit more detail and a bit more of an in-depth walk around video on this car, up in the top right hand corner will now appear a link to that car, and alongside in the description you'll also find a link to it as well. So I'll just quickly walk you around, show you what the car looks like on these fantastic set of alloys. All exceptionally clean and tidy. Does of course also include a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside these fantastic brand new alloys. Finished in gloss black. Also brand new tyres of course at the back. We've got gloss black rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. Car's covered just over 60,000 miles. It's a 6-speed manual. Comes with that lovely half Alcantara M highlight seats. Is an exceptionally clean and tidy example of a fantastic 220D. All clean and tidy there. And of course, as I mentioned, if you want to see more detail and more in-depth, please remember to check out the full in-depth walk around video. And of course, if not, remember to check out the link in our website. Check out the link in the description for our website is what I meant to say. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.